Hi, Kathy. Yeah, the looks like the blur slider, because I haven't used it in one of the newer products. Just have to adjust the padding on it a little bit for mobile. Here's what I'm going to get you to do. Open up your library and your sliders and blur slider, and let me just see here. Default slider with blur. Nope, that's not the one. Go to your default slider with blur. Okay, right down here, this guy right here is the culprit, because this is the mobile one right here. It just needs to be adjusted, and we're going to set it to 0, change auto to -15px, space, okay, leave the 0px, and then I want you to hit the enter key and then type in 4px. Okay, so we're going to go margin of 0, -15, 0, and 4, and that's going to even things out here on the sides. Okay, because yeah, that's just a mobile setting. It just needs to be adjusted. Then your iPad should be just fine with that. So it just wasn't adjusted for the new template is all. Alright, let's go with, you can even put a margin on the top if you wanted to, I guess. I don't know if it's going to work, but let's just see what happens. Yeah, you can put a margin on the top there if you want to, and fiddle around with that number. So tweak your top margin as well if you want to do that, more center it more, so maybe 25 or 30. Alright, let's go with, you want to add a Facebook. Okay, so the first question is, here's our site right here. Just wondering where you wanted to add it to. Alright, what I'm going to suggest is add it to where the search is, because this is where the search is right here. Right, you're not using it, and you got a little bit of space for one. So what I would suggest you do is go into your, just cheat, and put your library, your shared, and go to your Google search. Get rid of any junk that's in here, just leaving the body tags. Right, and then put your Facebook stuff in here, because then you can position it, because then you can go into your site styles. Right, we've got our styles right here. And let me just see what we've got going on in here. Oh, sorry, it's not in styles anymore. No, it's in shared. Anything that's in the shared, anything from the library that we're doing here now, we're trying to match up the names, so it makes more sense. Okay, so open up your styles, shared, and then scroll on down. There's the phone, there's the text links. Google's already in place and active, so you can just use that instead. Social icons, that's all for the home page, and there it is right there. Okay, so you can actually just go boom, it's already positioned right there. You can tweak the positioning once you put your Facebook stuff in there.